Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the supply is off and the line is drained so you can work safely. Next, inspect the male and female threads closely. Look for burrs, flattened peaks, or cross-threading because these are the causes of leaks. Use a wire brush to clear debris, then choose either PTFE tape for tapered threads or a paste sealant for straight fittings. Begin with a thread chaser on the male thread. Use gentle passes to restore profile without removing too much material. Once the threads are cleaned and chased, you restore sealing surfaces carefully. Why this matters is because distorted threads prevent the seal from seating. Wrap PTFE tape clockwise around male threads 3 to 4 times, covering from the end back but not over the first thread, or spread a thin, even layer of pipe sealant for straight fittings. Thread the connection by hand to engage properly, then use a wrench to tighten to a firm, controlled stop. Avoid brute force, which can strip the repair. You finish by slowly restoring pressure and watching the repaired joint closely. Use soapy water to reveal small bubbles so you can see weeping leaks immediately. If you still see a leak, do not over-tighten. Disassemble and rechase the threads, then reapply tape or sealant and retest, because trapped gaps or misapplied tape are common causes. If threads are badly gouged or the leak continues, replace the fitting or use a repair coupling. This avoids repeated failure and protects downstream components.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.